Have you ever wondered why, despite all your efforts to manage your arthritis, the pain and stiffness seem to stick around? Well, what if I told you that some everyday habits could be acting as silent triggers, making your arthritis worse without you even realizing it? In today's video, we're diving deep into the 10 habits that could be fueling your arthritis pain like gasoline on a fire. Some of these might surprise you, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to stop doing to start feeling better. And don't worry, I'll also give you tips on what to do instead. Before we get into it, drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from, so I can send a special shout out in the next video. Ready to make some changes? Let's jump right in. 1. Skipping exercise. Movement is medicine. The first bad habit you need to break is skipping exercise. I know it sounds counterintuitive because arthritis causes pain, and the last thing you want to do is move, right? But staying inactive is one of the worst things you can do for your joints. When you don't move, your joints become even stiffer, and the muscles surrounding them weaken. This creates a vicious cycle of more pain and less mobility. The truth is, low-impact exercises like swimming, yoga, and walking can help lubricate your joints and improve your flexibility. It's all about finding the right balance and avoiding high-impact movements that stress your joints. So, if you're stuck on the couch thinking that rest is the best solution, think again. Just 30 minutes of gentle movement each day can work wonders for your joints. 2. Poor posture, your joint's worst enemy. Let's be honest, how many times have you caught yourself slouching at your desk or while scrolling through your phone? Poor posture doesn't just hurt your back, it's a slow poison for your joints, especially if you have arthritis. When your posture is off, you're putting unnecessary strain on certain joints, especially those in your spine, hips, and knees. Over time, this added stress can worsen inflammation and pain. It's crucial to stay aware of how you sit, stand, and walk. A simple trick? Try sitting with your shoulders back, spine straight, and feet flat on the floor. Regularly correcting your posture can prevent added stress on your joints and help manage arthritis pain. 3. Eating inflammatory foods. What's on your plate matters. We all love a good meal, but did you know that some foods can cause inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms? Foods like sugary snacks, processed meats, and fried goodies may taste delicious, but they're full of inflammatory compounds that could be making your arthritis flare up. Scientific studies have shown that diets rich in trans fats, refined sugars, and excessive carbohydrates can increase the production of inflammatory proteins in your body, worsening joint pain. Instead, opt for anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, fatty fish rich in omega-3s, and berries. These foods can help reduce inflammation and protect your joints in the long run. So, the next time you're planning your meals, think about how what you're eating could be impacting your arthritis. 4. Ignoring your weight, extra pounds, extra pain. One of the most significant risk factors for worsening arthritis symptoms is carrying extra weight. For every pound of excess weight, your knees feel an additional 4 pounds of pressure. Imagine the strain this puts on your joints over time. Being overweight doesn't just affect your knees. It impacts your hips, ankles, and spine too. This added stress can speed up the breakdown of cartilage, leading to increased pain and decreased mobility. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference in reducing arthritis symptoms. If you're struggling with your weight, don't feel discouraged. Start small by focusing on portion control and incorporating more movement into your day. Your joints will thank you. 5. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is key. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but staying hydrated is crucial, especially if you have arthritis. Your joints are surrounded by a fluid called synovial fluid, which helps to lubricate them. When you're dehydrated, this fluid can't do its job properly, leading to more stiffness and pain. Drinking enough water helps keep your joints lubricated, flushes out toxins, and reduces inflammation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, but more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Keep a water bottle nearby as a reminder. 6. Stress, the invisible agitator. Stress is an invisible poison that seeps into every part of your life, including your arthritis. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can increase inflammation. This means that being constantly stressed can make your arthritis symptoms worse. Whether it's work, personal relationships, or finances, Stress triggers inflammation, which leads to more joint pain and stiffness. That's why it's crucial to find ways to manage your stress. Yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even taking a simple walk outside can help. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health when it comes to managing arthritis. 7. Poor sleep habits. Rest is your body's time to heal. If you're not getting enough quality sleep, your arthritis symptoms could be worse than they need to be. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, and without enough rest, your body's ability to heal inflammation is compromised. Research has shown that poor sleep can increase sensitivity to pain, making arthritis symptoms feel even more intense. A lack of sleep can also make you more prone to stress, which, as we've discussed, leads to more inflammation. Make sleep a priority. Set a regular bedtime, keep your room dark and quiet, and avoid screens at least an hour before bed. A good night's sleep can help reduce your pain and improve your overall mood. 8. Overusing anti-inflammatory medication, a quick fix, but not a long-term solution. While over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen and aspirin can provide quick relief from arthritis pain, over-relying on them can have negative long-term effects. Taking too many anti-inflammatory drugs can cause stomach problems, high blood pressure, and other health issues. Instead of relying solely on medication, try incorporating other natural remedies into your routine. Ice packs, heat therapy, or even acupuncture can help reduce pain without the side effects of long-term medication use. Of course, always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your treatment plan. It's about finding a balanced approach that works best for you. 9. Not stretching. Flexibility is everything. Stretching is often overlooked, but it's a powerful tool in managing arthritis. Regular stretching helps to maintain flexibility, improve range of motion, and reduce stiffness. If you skip stretching, your muscles and joints become tighter, which can lead to more pain and discomfort over time. Simple stretches targeting your problem areas, like your hands, knees, or hips, can do wonders for relieving pain and improving mobility. Start your day with a gentle stretching routine, and you'll notice the difference in how your joints feel throughout the day. 10. Smoking, a habit that's harming your joints. Last but not least, smoking is one of the worst habits you can have if you suffer from arthritis. Smoking increases inflammation in the body and decreases blood flow to the joints, which slows down healing and makes joint damage worse. Smoking also weakens the immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections and inflammation. If you smoke, quitting could be one of the best things you do for your arthritis and your overall health. Now that you know the 10 habits that are silently making your arthritis worse, it's time to take control and make some changes. Whether it's improving your posture, drinking more water, or saying goodbye to smoking, small adjustments can have a massive impact on your joint health. What changes are you going to make? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in the next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.